Bravura UI Kit Generator by Wigley Studios. Designing a beautiful interface shouldn't take weeks of guesswork, endless tweaking, inconsistent buttons, messy spacing, broken design systems. Sound familiar? Meet the Bravura UI Kit Generator, a smarter way to build your entire UI system. In seconds, set your brand colors, choose your style. Let Bravura do the heavy lifting: buttons, forms, layouts, and design tokens. Perfectly matched and ready to ship. Stop staring at a blank canvas. Start with a premium, consistent, cinematic quality UI base, custom built for your product. Spend your time on ideas, not reinventing buttons. Your product deserves a world-class interface. Generate HTML, Tailwind, and React kits instantly. Create a free account and generate your first kit on us. Get your free custom UI kit today at wigleystudios.com.